Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Intelligence and surveillance drones play a critical role in the defense sector. A young innovator has developed drone-based precision systems suited to the country's environment, offering a wide range of capabilities that enhance operational efficiency, situational awareness, and decision-making.
We are making a drone that can be used for the targeting particular sites for the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force, that it can sustainably target precisely particular units. Like if I have to target particular window of a particular building, it can target easily of or if I give you another example, if I have to target particular area of a particular tank that it has liability there, that it can damage properly, so this systems is capable of targeting those areas. So yes, we are making, and apart from those applications, we are making on the technological side, we are making hardware and the software in-house, like the flight controller and the ESC speed controllers we are making in-house, and the software stack for the autonomous systems, we are right now in the process of that. These systems are primarily used to remove threats or to use reconnaissance mission. Like if I have to gather intelligence from the ground, like the opponent having particular tanks or particular guns that they are carrying, we can have intelligence from just the aerial imagery. And these systems, because these systems are autonomous, it can do swarming. Like it can gather around 500 to 600 kilometers data in a single second. These systems are loitering munition systems. It can easily go around 150 to 160 kilometers, and the endurance that it have is around 5 hours. Because these systems are using electrical propulsion system and the lithium-ion batteries having high dense energy but high discharge rate also. So I'm right now we are getting around 3 hours, but we are extending it up to 5 hours. Right now, the military, the drones that military is using is not having autonomy stack. It has to be controlled manually, and they are not having, like if I have to do swarming, in which 100 to 200 drones go together and gather intelligence from particular different fields. They can't do that because we are building hardware in-house and software also. So we are having the capability to do those things, like completely giving its autonomy, just apart from deciding the target which have to be neutralized. We have to employ that go to these fields or to this destination and just check like is there any threats or not. If there's not threats, just return to our base. So these things are capable to do that. We are technology readiness level, and at which we tested these systems on real grounds with the endurance that we are targeting or the range that we are targeting. Right now, the telemetry range that we are getting is 20 kilometers. We can communicate this with these systems 20 kilometers, and from there the remaining 80 kilometers, because we are targeting around 100 to 150 kilometers. For the remaining part, it will go autonomous, or it will use the cellular systems which are like we have cellular system on our mobile phones. This system will use that for the rest of the range. Right now, because we are in the research and development stage, and we have already tested with few soldiers or the few brigadiers, and they have given some feedbacks to improve on those areas. And just after, if that thing's done, we will have some deliveries for them.
By providing unmatched surveillance and intelligence capabilities, such systems can transform the way surveillance operations are conducted.